little bit of a problem today. Tony was being annoying, so they threw him in solitary, so... Hey, I guess I'm hanging out here for the moment, so I'm gonna go play in general population. Hello? Anybody here?
You're so bad, let me turn it off.
So how do you guys like it on, this is federal?
It's just,
Disturbing that.
2 people. No washrooms, no sink like on other ones, and 2 people were in this room most of the day.
Wow.
And it's like you can almost feel it. You can feel that tightness that they felt, and you can feel the pressure in this room.
You gotta imagine they got bored talking to each other after a while.
What would you have to say after a while?
Do you have the Ovilus on? It's in my pocket.
It's in your pocket.
I just heard a female voice. It wasn't Ingrid. I don't know, right there is pretty good. Go by the mattress, the beds. Now you're walking too far away. So, where are we at, Tony?
We're at Dillinger's jail.
No,
pretty much.
where? We're in the children's room.
Oh yeah,
Where are we
juvie.
at?
We're in juvie.
Juvie.
Yeah, we're in the juvie department of the jail. Obviously.
How do you feel up
Well, it's kind of calm today. The last time we were here, we had a lot of activity, but this time, just peaceful. You would think after that supermoon that we had, it would be.
Well, this area is kind of, yeah, I do agree this area is kind of benign, but some of the other places.
Yeah, I mean, downstairs, it's really incredible, and I mean, it touched us. I mean, that's odd in itself. I still feel a little chill up here, but I don't think it's from anything like supernatural or anything. But
So you're saying it touched you. Was it good touch or bad touch?
it just brushed alongside me to get to Ingrid.
And then with me, it literally took its hand or whatever, and it was going up and down, up and down. It was like it was trying to feel us to see if we were real or one of them.
Yeah.
That was my impression of it. And the cool air and the cold that went through us to actually touch the body, it was unbelievable. It like took your breath away. And the hair on your arms stood up. Your brain was like trying to process everything right away because it was the cold, the feeling of something going through you, and then the actual touching. So, and it went back and forth between Tony and I, because I think it was trying to figure out like the difference between like a female and a male, and just almost like it was trying to remember what it felt like to be human again. It was really kind of cool.
Alrighty, well, let's move on.
Still have that green light in front of me.
Yep.
It's like fantastic. It's like, my God, where are we going? Oh, okay. Now I've seen everything here.
I'm experiencing the heavy breathing thing again.
Absolutely.
Why?
Oh.
Down the hall, it was like nice and peaceful. Now it's like kind of intimidating in this small group of places. 3 cells.
You gotta be really messed up to be over here because
Yeah. Look at how it's like literally an age. Or an age and an age.
Go ahead. Wait, let me get you. Go.
So, me and Ingrid, we walk in here and it's fine. None of our cameras are quite working. But I'm standing here just like this. She's standing there like that. And I have goosebumps all up and down his arm, and my hair was standing up. And it came by, and he touched her
Brushed
twice.
my arm this way and then brushed it this way. And enough where it took my breath away.
Here, why don't you walk in that cell so I can come in with you guys?
And then over in
Also,
here,
I should just bounce the back of the camera off the wall because I don't fit through these doors.
and then right in here, right this area
Yeah.
here, very cold and very cold.
Right through here.
And now it's not like that.
No.
But it was incredible. I mean, it was.
It was
Cold.
cold.
You guys got temperature guns and stuff on you.
It didn't matter.
Yeah.
We felt it. It was cold.
This
And-
isn't the same one, is
Yes,
it?
it is.
Oh shit, that's why I recognize it.
It
So
was.
right here, I was standing right there, and it was cold.
And
Like you were in a refrigerator.
Yes. And he's asked me to come over to feel it as well. And it was very cold, and you could feel like the air moving. It wasn't just stagnant air, it was like moving. The air was moving.
Okay.
It was incredible. This whole room has been just full of activity. And it's more than.
Go. So whose cell are you standing in at one time?
I am standing in Dillinger's cell right now. This is where he was housed here when he was here.
Put your arms across so it gets the scale how big it is.
Okay, from the wall to, I guess you would say like
Wow.
the cots, it's this far. I can almost reach all the way across,
Wow.
and I'm 5'4", so I'm not a big person, so that gives you a good
Yeah.
idea at how narrow this is.
Okay, so tell you what, we'll leave you alone now so you can go use the toilet back there.
No, I
All
think
right, Tony, let's go. We don't need to see this. So we're guessing this is the window he escaped through because
Yeah.
the bars are still bent, like they said. And you got a bunch of pictures of everything too. So we've only been here about 15 minutes and it's happening.
Oh, yeah. My name has been called and nobody said my name. People are touching us, people are walking through us.
I felt someone go literally like.
And that's what it did to me.
That's it started
Yep.
started up here and it went down my arm and I showed Ingrid. I'm like, I had all goosebumps and my
And his
hair
hair was sticking
my
up.
hair was sticking out.